everyone, thanks so much for watching and coming back to my channel. Today is another makeup haul. I swear to God, I just filmed a makeup haul like 2 days ago and then now I'm back at it again. I love doing this because it's from my favorite stores, and apart from home decor hauls, this is my other favorite video to actually watch. So it's actually just a few products that I end up getting. The majority of the products are from LORAC. So far the products from LORAC are pretty decent. I opened up all the packaging just so it could be easier when I actually film. So let's just go ahead and get started, and if you guys like these kinds of videos, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, share, like, and subscribe. That would be great, so I could just, you know, film a lot more. Gives me an extra excuse to actually go out and buy more products. Alright, so one of the first products I end up getting from LORAC is a foundation. Usually when they carry foundation, it never matches my type of foundation color. It is a little bit darker. It is a light medium color, and it is from LORAC, and the packaging looks incredible. You twist it up like that and then the little applicator comes out. It's really, you know, high-end basically. And this foundation was only for $7.99, which is incredible. It is 1.0 fluid ounces, which is enough. It's oil-free based and fragrance-free. I just don't know if it's a matte, luminous, or what kind of foundation type it is, but I'm very anxious to try it. I have so many foundations that I bought that I just don't I don't know where to start first. The next thing I ended up getting is another LORAC product. This one was for $3.99. This one is a 3-in-1 waterproof eyeliner. It is in the color brown. I love putting brown on my waterline only because it's not harsh. Right now I'm wearing a black waterline color, and I think sometimes it does make it look harsh. As opposed to the brown, it makes it look a little bit more softer and possibly a little bit more smoky. The black sometimes just is not preferable with some eye colors that I tend to use. It's very like moussey. I feel like they don't last long. I feel like you really need to set it with a powder, but I like that it doesn't tuck your eyelid, so that's always nice. And it does have a little smudge applicator at the end. For $3.99, it's not bad, especially because they had a lot and the applicator is very easy to adjust. I ended up getting a concealer. This concealer was for $5.99, and this concealer looks like those like what's it, like the hourglass concealers. I think you end up getting product out from here just by pressing it down. This one is in the shade CF3, so you end up pushing it down and then the product comes out from this little brush right here. It has the color right here, but it's a sticker. I thought it was like a see-through, like how much of the product you have left, but it's actually just a sticker. And this one was for $5.99. Also from the brand, the Baked Matte Satin Blush, and this one is in the shade Exposed, and this one was for $4.99. The packaging is like a dream. It is a very heavy packaging, and when you open it up, you have like, it looks like a baked blush. I'm not wearing it right now, but I mean the pigmentation, it's very soft, and around it is silver, like almost like a dark chrome color. It's very nice and pigmented. It is like very luminous, so that's what I like. It reminds me of the Luminosa one from Milani, but hey, you know, this one is a little bit bigger, so that's always nice. And it's satin, so it does glide on very smooth on when I swatched it, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be exactly the same on a brush. So if you guys are always having trouble when you put on blush and it's just like a patch right there, try doing it with the fan brush, just so it's not harsh and it's like within the blush, you know, like it's within the skin and it looks like a natural blush. That is exactly what I was trying to say. I don't know why I didn't say that in the beginning. I just wasted like 10 minutes of my life. Alright, the next item is another blush from LORAC, and this one is, I think it's like a collection. It's from I Love Brunch, and it's a buildable blush. They actually had a highlight shade, and it was like a turquoise kind of highlight shade. I was gonna pick it up, but I ended up leaving it because I already bought the Aurora one and I haven't even bothered to use it. I just figured like, even though I do collect makeup, it's just, I know that it was just never going to be used at all, not even for me to try. So the packaging is very clean. It is sort of like a pearl iridescent packaging. It's clean. That's what I like when I see a package. You know, I like packaging that you could actually take a really nice picture of the packaging when you guys post something on Instagram, and that's what I love, that it's very clean, crisp. Like I just like taking pictures. Okay, that's all it is. This one is in Luma, and it is satin. I have actually not swatched this one, so let's just go ahead. Ooh, wow. It feels sort of like the ColourPop eyeshadows, like the new version of them. It feels extremely soft to the touch, literally. It is like a very Barbie pink kind of color. wow, this one feels better than the other one, but the other one is good as well. And then I ended up getting from the same brand, this one was for $4.99. It is a lip gloss, and this one is in Foodie. I actually have the lipstick from this. I got very excited because it is a combo deal, so I was like, wow. And it smells really good. You know, like sometimes lip glosses don't smell like anything, and I'm surprised that this lip gloss does smell very nice, and it has a nice scent to it. It's not strong, and it's the same packaging as the blush I just swatched. It is an iridescent pearl white color, and it's very, very nice and pigmented. And I feel though that it will leave your lips very sticky. I have a L'Oreal lip gloss that I use that doesn't leave your lips sticky, but it does make it look like it's wet. So I like those kinds of lip glosses, but although this one doesn't do that, it does smell good, and it is a good brand. So for $5, not bad. Is this also from LORAC? God. Wow. Okay, so I ended up getting this one. This one is the Alter Ego matte lipstick. I don't remember how this one looks. Oh yeah, I remember now. This one is in Social Light. So this one, the packaging is very, very similar to the other one that I had. The color is very pretty. Wow, this one is a very pretty color. I didn't even know I got this one until like right now, because sometimes when I just shop, I just put everything in the cart and then I just leave the things. I think I only left that one highlighting shade. The last thing, you guys, is this sleek makeup case. I saw it the first time that I went, and this one was for $5.99, right? Or $4.99? $5.99. I saw it, they had plenty of them there, but in my case I was like, should I really get it? And I'm glad that I did, because you know, when they come like in a gift package like that, it's always like a dud for me. And then I was like, all right, I'm just gonna get it. It's for $5.99. Might as well. I need to do a video anyway. They also had a lot of Pixi products there too, and they had like I was about to get a eyeshadow like little tiny palette, which was for $4.99 or $5.99, but it didn't convince me that much because I feel like Pixi is like a hit or miss. Here is the packaging right here. Now let me show you the mascara really quick, because I got surprised when I saw the mascara. It comes very matte. When I saw the wand, it reminded me so much of a L'Oreal one, and you know, Sleek is a very inexpensive brand anyway, so I'm very excited to try this one. It looks like it would be a very, very good product. And then this one is in Beautiful Sin. Now let me tell you guys, I swatched these and these are amazing. So it comes with this little applicator that no one cares for, and then it comes with the protectant, and the protectant has numbers to the shades. Comes with the mirror, and here are the shades right here. So it comes with 3 matte shades, and then the rest are shimmery shades. I love that it, like, you guys are gonna see how pigmented they are, and they are soft to the touch, you guys. Like, you could really do a nice eye look with this without actually struggling to actually get a look out of this. I feel like the shades, the matte shades, you don't have a variety of them, so you will have to go dig into another palette, but these shades are very, very pigmented. Sleek eyeshadows, like, people do sleep on them, so that's the thing that, you know, a lot of people focus so much on Morphe nowadays because, you know, of other influencers, but Sleek really has amazing eyeshadows. I like playing with color. I don't like using, you know, a lot of browns, because I feel like purples and blues work for my eye color, because my eye color is very, very dark brown. So when I put these kinds of shades on that, you know, make my eye color pop a little bit more, it really works better for me, because I get a lot of compliments on it, and that's what I like, you know, because I like people seeing the artistic way that I carry my makeup. I know this was a long video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of this and what's new, I always try to keep these, you know, uploaded right when I get the product, so this way you guys can go out and check out what they have. I'll see you guys back extremely soon. Bye.